चला 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 आया आया आया
नीचे बैठना ये पागल अरे बुला रहे हैं
एक्शन एक्शन एक्शन
As we are about to begin this press conference, kindly make sure to keep your phones on silent. Thank you.
मदिरा
गुजरात फिल्मी चेहरे गुजरात गर्वी चेहरे गुजरात मस्त चेहरे और जबरदस्त चेहरे गुजरात फिल्मी चेहरे गुजरात गर्वी
Good evening, everyone. I'm Priyanka Lalwani, your host for today. On behalf of Filmfare, आप सभी का दिल से शुक्रिया कि आपने अपना कीमती वक्त निकाला और आज आप यहाँ हमारे साथ हैं at the press conference of the 69th Hyundai Filmfare Awards 2024 with Gujarat Tourism. आज की शाम हमारे लिए सच में बहुत ही खास है. सबसे पहले on behalf of Filmfare, I would like to introduce our esteemed guests present over here. Respected Principal Secretary, Tourism Devsthanam Management, Civil Aviation and Pilgrimage for the Government of Gujarat, Shri Harit Shukla ji, Mr. Rohit Gopakumar, Director, Times Entertainment Division, Worldwide Media, Entertainment TV and Digital Network. Mr. Jitesh Pillai, Editor, Filmfare. One of the most successful movie producers in Indian cinema, a lovable host, a dynamic director, Bollywood's maestro, Karan Johar. Bollywood's latest style icon and one of the most loved actress, Janhvi Kapoor. And the heartthrob of the nation, Bollywood ka hero, Varun Dhawan. In attendance with us from the Government of Gujarat, we are honored to have in the audience respected Managing Director and Commissioner of Tourism for the Government of Gujarat, Dr. Saurabh Pardhi. Respected Joint Managing Director, Tourism Corporation of Gujarat Limited for the Government of Gujarat, Shri Kuldeep Singh Jhala. इस महान अवसर पर आप सब यहाँ हमारे साथ हैं, इसके लिए आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for all our esteemed dignitaries with us today. Thank you so much. और अब आपका ज़्यादा समय ना लेते हुए, I would like to throw some light on the brands that have come together to make this moment possible. Filmfare is a cinematic institution guiding our industry for 70 years with a commitment to celebrating Indian cinema. Part of Worldwide Media, a leading lifestyle and entertainment media company within the Times Group led by Mr. Vineet Jain, it also houses renowned market leader brands like Femina, Grazia India, Good Homes, Home and Design Trends, and more. The Filmfare Awards, considered as the pinnacle of recognition in Indian cinema, have been a vital part of the industry since its inception in 1953, recognizing significant milestones and exceptional talent with the Indian film community. अब समय आ गया है कि हम हमारे पार्टनर्स को शुक्रिया करें और उनसे मिलाएं जिनके बिना ये संभव नहीं होता. ये जो शो आप देख रहे हैं बिल्कुल भी पॉसिबल नहीं होता. तो हमारे जो टाइटल पार्टनर हैं वो है Hyundai Motor India Limited एंड डेस्टिनेशन पार्टनर गुजरात टूरिज्म. Hyundai Motor India Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Hyundai Motor Company India, is first smart mobility solutions provider and the #1 car exporter since its inception. Hyundai's global brand vision of progress for humanity creates a sustainable outlook for the future generations by offering mobility solutions with industry-leading technology. Gujarat, a living story of growth, economically, technologically, and culturally, is more than a place. It's a vibrant tale of traditions and prosperity. With the saying, "Jya vase Gujarati, tya vase Gujarat," signifying triumph, meaning wherever a Gujarati resides, Gujarat thrives. The Filmfare Awards and the backdrops of Gujarat blend seamlessly, celebrating diverse colors and culture. Filmfare proudly unveils its grand stage set against the vibrant canvas of Gujarat, a masterpiece echoing India's pride, culture, and history. Join us in celebrating the cinematic celebration where the glamour of Filmfare meets the grandeur of Gujarat. Well, I request you all to come witness Bollywood's best meeting tourism's best. A huge round of applause once again for each and every one of you and for all the guests present here with us today. Now, I would request all our dignitaries to please come forward and light the lamp as we commence a new journey and a momentous journey in our 69-year-old legacy.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tattle my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this.
Group photograph. Requesting you all to please come ahead. Come forward in the center. Requesting all the guests to please come forward once you're done wearing your beautiful smiles. All right, thank you so much. We'll have more time in the end. We need to move ahead. Thank you so much. Requesting everyone, the media people, to please settle down so that we can move ahead. All right, thank you so much. May I now request Mr. Rohit Gopakumar, Director, Times Entertainment Division, Worldwide Media, Entertainment TV and Digital Network, to share a few words. Come on, let's give him a huge round of applause.
Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you so much. Namaskar. A very happy Makar Sankranti to the entire crowd here. And I really want to thank you for making time, all of you coming here for our press conference. I have just taken over this role this year. And I think I'm going to now ask for a better year when we're talking about 2023 being one of the biggest Bollywood box office collections year. And I think it was very big because of best films, large format films. I think Jitesh will talk more about it because he's the content person for us at Filmfare. So I want to also thank, heartfelt thank to the respected Principal Secretary Tourism, Devastam Management, Civil Aviation and Pilgrimage for Government of Gujarat, Sri Hari Chuklaji. Producer, director, actor, presenter, fashion icon, I don't know what else to say.
RJ host.
Mr. Karan Johan.
And actor also.
Actor also, yeah. Dynamic superstars, Varun Dhawan and Janvi Kapoor. And my dear colleague, Jitesh, who I keep troubling him in terms of knowing the snippets and what's happening in the industry. So he's the man if anybody wants to connect on what's happened the whole of 2023, Jitesh Pillai. Unfortunately, one of our key partners and a personal friend of mine too, who's the COO of Hyundai, Mr. Tarun Garg, couldn't make it. He had to cancel his flight last moment because of the fog situation in Delhi. Otherwise, I would have loved him being on the dais with us to talk to you guys in terms of how Hyundai is changing the game in India for automobile industry. Partnerships, I always believe, provide an opportunity for actually leaning on each other's strengths. So for us at Filmfare, every year we've been leaning on partners like sponsors, states, destinations, which actually bring out the best for Filmfare. This year too, I think Hyundai has been second year running a big partner for us, and we believe that Hyundai actually targets the youth. I think they're one of the biggest youth icon brands in automotive segment, and we're very happy to be partnering Hyundai this year. And in terms of, I would say, Bollywood is people always think it's like Bombay. It's not Bombay. I think Bollywood is a national passion. And I think there's no better place than Gujarat as of today as a destination for us to be in Gujarat. And I would like to thank Gujarat and the government of Gujarat and the respective departments for inviting us and partnering us to be doing one of the best years, 69th edition of Filmfare Awards in Gujarat. And the amazing part is we were actually looking at multiple venue options in Gujarat, and we realized that we should be at I would say the hub of development in Gujarat, and that's the gift city, Gandhinagar. I think the government has been kind enough to give us this place in Gandhinagar, gift city, which I didn't know about it. Apparently the whole city, the entire infrastructure for the city in terms of water, pipelines, sewage system, electricity, and everything is all underground in a tunnel which you can actually drive through. So that I think it's a big development kind of opportunity for a city like Gift City. And we are very happy as Filmfare to be there. And I really would love to invite all of you to be there with us, on the 27th and the 28th of this month. So, in terms of the year, we have first time we are doing a 2-day event. We've never done Filmfare across 2 days. And being in Gujarat, we are going to be doing a 2-day event. On 27th of January, we are doing a kind of a curtain raiser technical awards, but it will have a curated fashion show done by Shantanu and Nikhil, and it will be hosted by Apar Shakti, and you can realize the vibe when we talk about a performance which would be ended by, I think, Pratik Gohil, who is going to be apparently a rage in Gujarat. So we are having him as the headliner for the show on 27th. And then we are following it up with our main awards on 28th, which is going to be at the Gift City, and we are looking at a large crowd being present there. And I would love to give you the lineup of the people who are going to be there in terms of performing with us, we're going to be having a mesmerizing performance by Kareena. We're going to be having Ranbir Kapoor. We have our own dear friend, VD18, Varun Dhawan. And we have Janvi Kapoor with us, and also Karthik Aryan and Sara. And the host is not me, it's going to be the host who's sitting next to me, Karan Johar. And he's going to be assisted by Ayushman and Manish Paul. And so you can imagine what the camaraderie would be between three of them. And I really hope they bring out the best from everybody else who's going to be present there at the venue. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Mr. Rohit. And since he's been talking about it, why not? There's an AV that let's take a look at. Can we please have the AV?
आपका स्वागत है अवार्ड शो की सबसे बड़ी शाम। एंटरटेनमेंट होगा दुगना।
We're not yet live. I think mostly by end of this week, we're going to put it out as the news. So I just thought I'd let you know. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Rohit Gopakumar, for your insights on the upcoming 69th Filmfare Awards. And we can't wait to witness the spectacle that the 69th Hyundai Filmfare Awards 2024 with Gujarat Tourism. Well, can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Gopakumar, everyone? And sir, like you were talking about now that unfortunately Mr. Tarun Garg couldn't attend the press conference today. Now I would like you to once again request to share your thoughts in association with Hyundai so far.
Thank you. So I'm just giving a bite on behalf of Tarun because he was very upset he couldn't make it. He spoke to me this morning from Delhi. I said, "Are you at the airport?" He said, "No, I'm at home. I'm not able to make it." So I think his agency is here. Thank you so much, Venkat, for being here. I think Hyundai's two-decade association with the Indian film industry and prominent personalities of the entertainment industry make this collaboration even more special for us. And actually, this is the second year association with Hyundai, and we really are happy and we're very, very proud that they believe in this property of Filmfare. Tomorrow, incidentally, is the launch of the new and the ultimate, they call it the new Ultimate Creta, which is the most loved SUV in India. And they're launching it tomorrow, hence he couldn't stay back also if he was here. So I really miss him on the dais, and I really hope he's going to be here at the awards in Gujarat. Look forward to seeing him there. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Well, like he's talking about it, on that note, here's a glimpse of Hyundai's new Ultimate Creta. That this association between Hyundai and Filmfare will take the audience's experience to new heights. अब मैं respected Principal Secretary, Tourism Devasthanam, Management Civil Aviation and Pilgrimage for the Government of Gujarat, श्री हरीश शुक्ला जी से अनुरोध करूंगी कि वो कुछ शब्द कहें. उनके लिए थोड़ी तालियां बजा सकते हैं?
Thank you very much. First of all, let me take this opportunity and thank Worldwide Media and Times Group for giving this opportunity to Gujarat Tourism. We are really proud to be destination partners for Filmfare Awards. As we know, India is passionate about Bollywood and cricket. We are very fortunate to host very big events related to cricket recently. And we are really proud that now Filmfare is also coming to Gujarat. Gujarat has been one of the few states which has been creating new destinations and new events and attracting a lot of foreign and domestic tourists to Gujarat. In fact, you will be surprised to know that last year in 23, it was a blockbuster year for Gujarat also, and we received the maximum number of foreign tourists in any state in India. So as per the Government of India data, we were the #1 state choice of foreign visitors coming to Gujarat. We realize that Bollywood is a very, very powerful medium of promoting our stories, our tradition, and also our scenic beauty. We hope that with this association with Filmfare Awards and with coming of a lot of film shootings, etc. to Gujarat, we will be able to project our tourism destinations all across the India and all across the world. In fact, recently we came out with a very attractive cinematic tourism policy which is aimed at bringing the best of the Bollywood to Gujarat, and I think this is a starting of a great relationship with Filmfare and Bollywood. I would really like all of you to come to Gujarat, experience Gujarat and start your growth journey with Gujarat. जैसे कि हम कहते हैं कुछ दिन तो गुजारो गुजरात में, मेरी अपेक्षा है कि आप सब एक बार गुजरात में आएंगे और वहाँ के एक्सपीरियंस को लेंगे तो आपका बार बार वहाँ आने का मन करेगा. I once again wholeheartedly invite all of you for this 69 Filmfare Award in Gujarat. Hope to see you in Gandhinagar, Gift City soon.
Thank you so much, sir, for extending this invitation once again. आइए अब देखते हैं वाइब्रेंट गुजरात की एक झलक इस एवी के द्वारा.
है